In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to parent an object to an empty object or a locator in Blender. So right now I have a pineapple animation and the pineapple body drops down here, and I've got two locators, one representing the body and then the other that I want to represent the top part. And it bounces a little bit and squash and stretch there. So what I need to do is parent this top part to the top locator here. There's two. You'll see it looks a little bit confusing, but I'm just going to parent it to the top one. And that way the top of the pineapple will follow the body of the pineapple. But since I already have the locators, I'm going to just show you how to create a locator in case you don't have one. So first off, you're going to go to Add and all the way to Empty. And a plain axis is what I made. You can choose different types and they'll all function similarly, but this one is what I call a locator because that's what I called it when I was in Maya, and that's how I still refer to it. But yeah, empty object or plain axis here. So there we go. We select that and it'll create a locator for you. And the next step is to parent them. So I'm going to first select the object that I want to be parented. So this, I want to be parented to that. So first select that, and then you hold down Shift on your keyboard and select the object that you want to be the parent. And you'll see the object that is being parented to the other is in orange and the parent object is in yellow. And that means you've selected them in the right order. And now you're going to hit Control P on your keyboard and you'll get this parent menu. Or alternatively, you can just right click on your mouse and you'll get parent. There's a parent option there. And you're going to go to object. There are different options for parenting, but this is a very simple, straightforward video, so I'm not going to get into everything. This is just an object to object parent, so we're just going to select object. And now, since I already have animation keyframes on this locator, we'll see if the top follows along with its parent. Yay! It looks like it's working. Okay. So that is basically it. And if you ever want to unparent, similarly, just select the thing that is parented to the other thing. So in this case, that's the top of our pineapple. Right click, go to parent, and then go to clear parent. And now I undid that parent that I just did. So I can Control Z and it will not get me. No, it will. If I Control Z, it'll reattach them just like I wanted. So that's it. I hope this helped. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and check out some of my other tutorials in Blender. And thank you for watching.